Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about 2025 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van performance. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter is built to set a new standard in the world of commercial and passenger vans. Combining innovation, versatility, and luxury, this vehicle is designed for businesses, adventurers, and professionals who demand the best in performance and reliability. With its modern exterior, advanced technology, and powerful engine options, the 2025 Sprinter is ready to take on any challenge while providing a premium driving experience. The exterior design of the 2025 Sprinter is sleek, bold, and functional. A redesigned front grille, distinctive LED headlights, and aerodynamic contours enhance both aesthetics and efficiency. The large windshield provides excellent visibility, while the sturdy yet stylish body structure ensures durability. With multiple body configurations, including standard, high roof, and extended wheelbase options, the Sprinter can be customized to fit various business and personal needs. Wide sliding side doors and rear cargo doors provide easy access, making loading and unloading more convenient than ever. Step inside, and you'll discover a cabin designed for comfort and convenience. The driver-focused cockpit features a high-tech dashboard with a digital instrument cluster, providing real-time vehicle data, fuel efficiency monitoring, and navigation assistance. Premium seating with ergonomic support ensures long-haul comfort, while intuitive controls allow for effortless operation. The advanced infotainment system includes a large touchscreen display, smartphone connectivity, voice control, and integrated navigation, keeping drivers connected and informed on every journey. Wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and a premium sound system add to the luxury and practicality of the cabin. Performance is a key highlight of the 2025 Sprinter, offering a choice of powerful yet fuel-efficient engine options. The diesel models provide robust torque and excellent fuel economy, making them ideal for heavy loads and long-distance travel. The fully electric version takes efficiency to the next level with zero emissions and an extended driving range. Fast charging technology ensures minimal downtime, allowing businesses to keep operations running smoothly. The intelligent all-wheel drive system enhances traction and stability, ensuring confident handling on various terrains, from city streets to rugged landscapes. Mercedes-Benz has equipped the 2025 Sprinter with the latest safety and driver assistance features. Adaptive cruise control automatically adjusts speed based on traffic conditions, while lane keeping assist helps prevent unintentional drifting. Blind spot monitoring provides extra awareness when changing lanes, and automatic emergency braking responds quickly to potential hazards. A 360-degree camera system offers a full view of the vehicle's surroundings, making parking and maneuvering effortless, even in tight spaces. With these advanced safety features, the Sprinter is designed to protect both driver and passengers on every journey. Versatility is at the core of the 2025 Sprinter's design, making it the perfect solution for a wide range of industries and lifestyles. Cargo models offer an expansive and well-organized loading area, featuring a reinforced floor, secure tie-down points, and customizable shelving options. Passenger configurations provide luxurious seating, ample legroom, and climate control for maximum comfort. Whether used for shuttle services, executive transport, or camper van conversions, the Sprinter's spacious interior adapts to any requirement. The high-roof version allows for extra headroom, enhancing comfort and usability for all passengers. Technology plays a major role in the 2025 Sprinter's advanced capabilities. The intelligent voice assistant enables hands-free control of navigation, music, and communication, enhancing safety and convenience. Over-the-air software updates ensure that the vehicle's systems remain up to date, continuously improving performance and functionality. Fleet managers can take advantage of advanced telematics, which provide real-time tracking, route optimization, and vehicle diagnostics to enhance operational efficiency. The integration of artificial intelligence helps businesses maximize productivity while reducing costs. For those looking for an eco-friendly transportation solution, the electric 2025 Sprinter is the future of sustainable mobility. Its advanced battery technology delivers impressive range, while regenerative braking helps extend energy efficiency by converting kinetic energy into power. The smooth and quiet operation of the electric model makes it perfect for urban deliveries, reducing noise pollution while maintaining exceptional performance. Businesses aiming to transition to greener logistics will benefit from the cost savings and environmental advantages of the electric Sprinter. Customization is a key feature of the 2025 Sprinter, allowing owners to personalize the vehicle to suit their specific needs. Mercedes-Benz offers a wide range of factory-installed accessories and aftermarket modifications, from cargo storage solutions to premium interior upgrades. Exterior color options, upgraded wheel designs, and branding possibilities enable businesses to create a professional and distinctive appearance. Whether configured for commercial use, luxury travel, or adventure, the Sprinter is designed to adapt to any lifestyle or profession. Durability and reliability are at the core of the 2025 Sprinter's engineering. Built with high-quality materials and reinforced construction, this van is designed to withstand the demands of daily use. Advanced corrosion protection and weather-resistant coatings ensure longevity, while the robust chassis provides exceptional durability. Routine maintenance is made simple with smart diagnostics and remote service monitoring, allowing for proactive vehicle care. Mercedes-Benz's extensive service network ensures that Sprinter owners have access to expert support, genuine parts, and professional maintenance, keeping the van in peak condition for years to come. Passenger comfort is another standout feature of the 2025 Sprinter, making it an excellent choice for transportation services and executive travel. The spacious seating arrangements, luxurious upholstery, and noise-reducing insulation create a refined and relaxing atmosphere. Large windows allow for panoramic views, enhancing the overall passenger experience. Rear passengers benefit from climate control, entertainment screens, and USB charging ports, ensuring a comfortable and connected journey. With flexible seating configurations, the Sprinter can accommodate various passenger needs while maintaining high levels of comfort and convenience. Mercedes-Benz is committed to providing an exceptional ownership experience, offering premium customer support and services. Personalized concierge services, remote vehicle monitoring, and expert assistance ensure that every Sprinter owner enjoys a hassle-free experience. The brand's commitment to excellence is reflected in every aspect of ownership, from purchasing to long-term maintenance. With comprehensive warranty coverage and 24/7 roadside assistance, Mercedes-Benz ensures that Sprinter owners receive top-tier service and support whenever they need it. The 2025 Sprinter is more than just a van, it is a statement of quality, innovation, and capability. Whether used for business, travel, or adventure, it delivers an unmatched combination of luxury and practicality. Designed to meet the evolving needs of modern drivers, it sets new benchmarks in efficiency, technology, and safety. As a leader in its class, the Sprinter continues to define the future of commercial and passenger transportation. Experience the next generation of mobility with the 2025 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. With its powerful performance, cutting-edge technology, and premium comfort, this van is engineered to exceed expectations. Whether navigating city streets, transporting passengers in style, or embarking on long-distance road trips, the Sprinter offers a seamless and enjoyable driving experience. Built for those who demand excellence, the Sprinter is more than just a vehicle, it is a trusted partner for every journey. With a legacy of innovation and a future-focused design, the 2025 Sprinter solidifies Mercedes-Benz's reputation as a leader in the automotive industry. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.